Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in SkyBlue Credit online on PC. SkyBlue Credit is most powerful solution to solve errors on your credit reports. To log in to SkyBlue Credit online, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.skybluecredit.com. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of SkyBlue Credit. Now here you can see the option of login on the top right. Click on login option. With this, here you'll be taken to the login page. Here to log in, you need to first enter your email address on the given email box. After this, enter your correct password on the given box. If you don't remember your password, then click on Forgot Password option. With that, if you are not a customer, then you can click on Get Started Today and become a customer. If you are already a customer, then click on Register Online so that you can access to your SkyBlue portal. After entering all the credentials, click on Log In. With this, you'll be able to log into your account. This is how we can log into SkyBlue Credit online on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.